Welcome to MEC440, Mechanical Engineering Design. My name is Jay Mendelson and I am one of the professors for this course. In these videos, I will give you a hands-on summary of how to scope, research, and organize your project, how to create a product spec and conceptual design, and how to use engineering standards and constraints of time, cost, and product safety when you perform detailed design work. This should give you a good understanding of how engineers in the industrial world do their work. First up is the project proposal. This will be the focus of your work for the first couple of weeks of the course. Your mission will be to form a project team within your section and define what your group will work on. The most important thing is to choose an idea that you are genuinely passionate about. That will give you the motivation you need to work productively on this course. We urge you to consult with professors in the Mechanical Engineering Department for available research projects. You may also develop your own idea, but you will need approval from your class professor to do this. We will create a list of formalized projects for you to work on that have already been vetted by the faculty. This list is dynamic, and we usually have a first draft for your review about a week into the course. As our faculty propose more projects, we keep adding them to the list until every team has a good project to work on. Whatever you choose to do, please scope your project in a feasible way so that you can complete it by next May and graduate on time. The core design skills you use for your project must fit within the curriculum of the ME department. Standard reimbursement for prototypes is roughly $280 that is, per team member. Make sure to track your estimated prototype costs before you freeze your design. Here is the format for your project proposal. By format, I mean you copy and paste this template slide into your own PowerPoint file and then write down answers underneath each of the questions. Think of this as an open-ended homework assignment for your team to complete. Include a cover sheet with project title, group number once we assign it to you, section number, name and student ID of each team member. Please also include the name of the faculty advisor for your group once you have one. As we get our full class organized into teams, we will create formal groups within Blackboard for all teams to upload their slides, as well as future project reports. You may have used the group module within Blackboard for other classes involving group projects. Now let's go over in detail what our questions mean, so that you can effectively answer them. Question 1 asks you to describe what problem you are trying to solve, not your solution to it. This is an important distinction. You won't have a full solution to your customer's problem until you complete your prototype next May. Right now, we just want you to explain what the problem is from the perspective of the customer. Question 2 asks how you will solve your customer's problem. What challenge will you face and how will your team overcome those challenges? Prior art means the current solutions that exist to the customer's problem. These could be embodied in commercial products, ideas defined on websites, or in patents. We want you to explain what design advantages you seek in a solution versus the design of prior art. Positive social impacts include a reduction in carbon footprint to reduce global warming, other means of reducing global pollution, designs to promote renewable energy sources, products for physically impaired people, or technology assistance to people in developing countries. Existing Stony Brook engineering initiatives include the Baja Motorsports Team, the Solar Boat Team, or funded university research by your faculty advisor. The timetable in question 3 should show when you will complete your market research, product design spec, conceptual design, detailed design, prototyping, testing, and formal project reports. For now, show it in terms of the name of the month between now and next May. As you create your project reports, we will want you to track your work to the exact calendar day, showing when you actually met these key milestones and when you will meet those that are yet unfinished. The resource chart in question 4 should show what each person on the team will do. according to your project needs and people's skills. For example, if your team needs patent analysis, market research, concept creation, mechanical design, prototype assembly, and prototype testing, write down which person will do which task. If a task is large enough, it may take more than one person to complete it. In that case, write down 2 or more names. Please make sure that all team members are gainfully employed on the project. This slide shows some available resources to help your team select a project. You will benefit greatly by speaking to Stony Brook mechanical engineering professors and research staff about their work. We will keep a formal sponsored project list in Blackboard, replete with information about which projects have already been selected by the various groups. Go to the link shown on the U.S. Patent website to perform a keyword search for existing patents in your field of interest. Unlike Google, the USPTO search engine is extremely rigid. Please make sure to follow the search rules exactly as shown in the help files, or no patents will come up. Angel.com is a good website for budding entrepreneurs. You might get some project ideas there. LinkedIn has some good forums on product development and innovation. For any group interested in working on a robotics project, you might want to attend the upcoming World Maker Fair on the dates shown. I went to a recent fair and it was well worth the visit.